Wonder what's down there. That's the Trump Tower. We're here at Washington and Wabash Station. Here in Chicago. It smells clean in here. Mezzanine.
What? Bleach.
Jeez. It's fast.
This is the ground floor?
No, this is mezzanine.
You gotta go down?
Gotta go back up.
You gotta go back up? Why?
I gotta do a full round trip on this thing.
Oh.
This is kind of way. It's fast. It's amazing. It smells like very nice and clean. Look at how fast we're going. So. And now we have to walk around this barrier.
Where do we go?
Around this barrier right here.
Is there another elevator down there?
Yep.
Where?
On the right.
Oh, right there.
There's this one right over here. I don't know where this goes. Okay, it's interesting. Street. Yeah, the one that was long. It goes down there. This kind of way. Here we're at the street.
Street level. Crazy.
Anyway, let's see if I can squeeze right through here. Anyway, I guess that's gonna be it for me.